What if I told you that your phone could become your personal mental wellness coach? That's right, AI has a habit-boosting secret just for you. Ever feel like your brain is stuck on repeat, overwhelmed, anxious, or just blah? You're not alone. Navigating life in your 20s comes with its own set of challenges. The reality is, we're bombarded with advice, but what actually sticks? The solution might be simpler than you think. It's not about drastic changes, it's about consistency. AI can help you create simple, impactful routines. Here's the big idea: AI pinpoints one powerful habit that can transform your mental game. Most self-help advice dumps information on you, but doesn't help you actually do anything. AI personalizes the process for you. The secret? Consistent, bite-sized action, incorporating micro habits. This could be 5 minutes of meditation, journaling, or a quick walk. AI tracks these actions, offering gentle nudges and celebrating progress. It uses personalized recommendations. Start building it today. Download a habit tracking app. It may even have AI features, then set realistic goals and get started. There's a whole world of AI-powered mental wellness waiting to be explored. This is the beginning. If you're ready to upgrade your well-being, subscribe now. We'll unpack more AI secrets and mental health hacks every week.